Is it true that if you leave the hospital AMA, the insurance company won't pay for your visit or your hospitalization? Let's ask Blue Cross Blue Shield.
Hi, how can I help you today?
I had a question. Would you know if I'm admitted to the hospital and I decide to leave against medical advice, am I responsible for the complete payment, or will Blue Cross Blue Shield still cover the visit?
That is an excellent question. Let me find out for you. I'm not really sure how that works. Mind if I put you on a brief
Not at
hold?
all.
So I did get some additional information for you regarding this. Basically, you don't have to worry about us not processing a claim because you left against medical advice. As long as the services were still deemed medically necessary and they meet those qualifications, we can still process the claim even if you leave against medical advice.
Great. And so that applies whether I'm in the hospital admitted or whether I'm in the emergency room?
That's correct. As long as the services that they did provide for you were medically necessary and meet the qualifications, basically being medically necessary, then yes, you're good to go. Even if it's against medical advice, we won't penalize for that.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Was there anything else I can do for you today?
Just to be clear, is there any reason at all if a patient leaves against medical advice that you wouldn't pay? It's just as long as like they went into the hospital for like something they needed to go to the hospital for, and they didn't like the care they were getting, or they didn't like the doctors they were, that were treating them. They didn't feel like they needed to be there anymore. As long as they are there for a legitimate reason to begin with, you'll pay.
That's correct. As long as it's medically necessary, even if you went against medical advice, we could still pay on the claim.